Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Reset Apple Watch without your passcode. Put Apple Watch on its charger. Press and hold the side button as if you were going to power it down. Do a firm press on the power off slider and let go. Tap Erase all content and settings.
Let's help you make your mark.
Try a force restart of your watch. To force a restart of your watch, press and hold both the digital crown and the side button continuously until the Apple logo appears. Then release the button and let the device restart.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Press and hold the side button until you see the power off screen. Hard press the power off slider and then let go. Tap Erase all content and settings. You'll be asked to set up your Apple Watch again when the process ends.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Just unpair your Apple Watch from your iPhone. Keep your Apple Watch and iPhone close together. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap the My Watch tab. Tap Apple Watch, then tap Unpair Apple Watch. Enter your Apple ID password. If you forgot your Apple ID password, you can reset it. Tap again to confirm.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.